Hi and hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's session is Python history, design philosophy and features, syntax and semantics, programming examples, libraries, development environments. That's all. Python is dynamically typed and garbage collected. It supports multiple programming paradigms including structured, particularly procedural, object-oriented and function programming. It often described as batteries included language due to its comprehensive standard library. Python consistently ranks as one of the most popular programming languages and has gained widespread use in the machine learning community. Python history. Python was released on 16th October 2000 with many major new features such as list comprehension, cycle detecting, garbage collections, reference accounting, and Unicode support. Python 3.0 was released on December 3, 2008, and then Python 3 included 2.2.3 utility, which automates the translations of Python 2 codes of Python 3. Python 2.7's end of life was initially set of 2015, then postponed to 2020 out of concern that a large body of existing code could not easily be forward ported to Python 3. Design philosophy and features. Python is multiple paradigm programming language. Object-oriented programming and structured programming are fully supported, and many of the features support functional programming and aspect-oriented programming, including meta-programming and meta-object. Many other paradigms are supported via extensions, including design by contract and logic programming. Python is known as a glue language, able to work very well with many other languages with ease to access. Syntax and semantics. Python uses white spaces indentations rather than curly brackets or keywords to delimit blocks. An increase in indentations comes after certain statements. A decrease in indentation signifies the end of the current block. Thus, the program's visual structures accurately represents in semantic structures. This feature is sometimes termed of side rule. Some language used indentation this way, but in most indentation has no semantic meaning. The recommended indented size of 4 spaces. Genreviews. Get all top and latest reviews on Genreviews. Tech, gadgets and electronics. Best quality of laptops for developer. Smartphone to market by the top. Best flying drone for blogging. So many of the products to this page, etc. Tap the link this video below and enjoy. Thank you. Libraries. Python's large standard library provides tool shooter to many tasks and is commonly cited as one of its greatest strengths. For internet-facing applications, many standard formats and protocols such as MIME and HTTP supported. It includes modules for creating graphical user interface, connecting to relational database, generating pseudo-random numbers, arithmetic with precision decimals, manipulating regular expressions and unit testing. Development environments. Most Python implementations including CPython include a read, eval, print loop (REPL), permitting them to function as a command line interpreter for which users enter statements sequentially and receive results immediately. Python also comes with an integrated development environment (IDE) called IDLE, which is more beginner oriented. Other shells including IDLE and IPython and further abilities such as improved auto-completion sessions, state retention and syntax highlighting. Thank you.